amazing community of Upwork. This is Mohammed, and I'm back with one of the most amazing case study of one of our project delivery. This is called SOAR 91 Day Program. When Luke and Lydia approach us with a unique requirement of creating something, a point-based scoring system for their requirements, this is a 91-day program. We knew that from the beginning that this is not just any other regular project. It was very different. We had to go with a different option. We had to go with different options just to make sure that we are hitting the right people, because these people need finance, sobriety, different addictions, and there's going to be a point-based system based on that. So let's get started. I'm going to take you to the next screen and we'll show you what kind of features we incorporated in this particular system. Okay, so this is our first screen. We created the design based on their requirements. So they were looking for something very prominent colors. They were not looking for something very bright. They were looking for something tough. So we decided to go for this kind of color scheme with a dark background. Our design team did an amazing job, because with the dark background things are pretty difficult to move on. We uniquely created the login screen and the sign up screens to make sure that both of the users, whether they are existing users, whether they are new users, can be entertained. We also created admin logins as well, and after that we created the cell phone version of the same screens as well. So there's going to be a multiple number of screens, so I'll be going super fast just so that we can save some time on that. So this is a kind of dashboard that we created. In this particular dashboard, we created, first of all, that they can see how many check-ins they did. This is for the admin side. They can see that total number of hours in finance, total number of hours in fitness, total number of hours in substances. And that is where the admin can see that for the marketing perspective, like how many users are using the finance side, how many users are using the addictive sides. So that is what we did. I'm gonna move my video a little bit. They can over there, they can check out all the users and the leaderboards as well. Leaderboards is something, the persons with the most points, so every time they do a check-in, they'll be getting a points. The most number of points are going to be prominent by getting a rank in the leaderboard, and that's what we did for our customers. So I'm going to keep my video over there. Now let's move to the second screen. This is how they can see a number of users, and they can check out the leaderboards as well. First, second, third. In fourth, fifth onwards, there was something different. If they forget the password, we did create the screen for that. This is the welcome screen. After that, they want to delete something, we did create the delete user screens as well. If they want to get a verification code or in the email, the screen was there. I'm going to go step by step. Now, when they're signing up, we ask them their goals. What are their goals for finance? What are their goals for fitness and alcohol and substances as well? Because that is they're going to be seeing after 91 days that you successfully like remove your alcohol addiction. You successfully save like a $20,000 if that's a finance target. You successfully reduced like 20 kgs in 3 months. That is 91-day program. So this is something important that a user should be seeing that. After that, we do have password options. This is where we create a paywall. So some of the features were kind of free in the beginning, but after that, as per the customer's requirements, we remove the free option. That means everybody can get the access, but they need to pay a certain fee, that is $50. And we created their bank, which is Stripe, at the back. So everything is seamless. The process is super easy. We do created the coupon codes for the admin side, for the Lydia and Luke, so that they can distribute those coupon codes with their testers, with their free users, or somebody they want to share. They want to give them a discount so that they won't be making a payment to use that particular platform. So this is the user dashboard. I'm going to move my video over here because we do have empty space. Over there you can see that every day there is a finance checking in the morning and in the evening. Then we have the fitness check-in, then we have the alcohol check-ins as well. And we do have a progress over there. And each check-in has been assigned a certain time. That means 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, for 10 minutes, for 10 minutes. But down the road, these times increases. After a month, the time is different. And after 2 months, the time is different. Over there, they can see their complete performance. Okay. and once they do the check-in, they'll be getting a notification as well. This is where they can create their profiles and other stuff, and this is their dashboard. They can see their personal stats, they can see the leaderboards as well, what is their rank, and they can do a lot of stuff as well. This is something uniquely important. So based on the perspective, if a people want to get a one-on-one coaching session from the coach Luke, they can go there and create a session, book a session. It's a basic form that they need to fill up, and they can book the forum as well. This is a referral as well. If a user want to refer someone, they can do that, and we created an amazing referral option, and it was super amazing that's happened. Okay, so that's more of it. Now let's move forward. We do have a support option. If they have any problem, they can reach out to our support team, and they'll be getting back to the customers. This is a sort of a unique check-in system we built up for our customers. This is a dashboard view. Once again, we created different dashboard, we created different stuff as well. So that's pretty much it when it comes to this particular scenario. Now I'm gonna take you back to one of the most amazing part, that is how to create a post. So we created a community as well, where all the users at the different stages can go out and create a post, just like a Facebook. They can comment, they can reply, they can like, they can give their reaction, support to any other person's post, and there's much more after that I'll be showing you. Okay, let's move on. So this is a Figma link, so the screens are like at different places, but let me just take you back to something different. Okay, all right, let's move on. We come up with the different designs. Okay, over here, that's what I wanted to show you guys. They can create a post, they can write a title of the post, they can upload a picture of the post, and this is how the post is being created. And that post is going to be uploaded on a community, just like a Facebook. Somebody can go like that post, comment on that post, and they can share the post outside the platform as well. And we build up an algorithm similar to Facebook based on the activities, and the recent ones are going to be coming on top. So that means posts with the least number of engagements are going to be going down. For the technology we use is the React for the front end, because it's a web app, and for the back end we use the Node.js. For the server side, we recommend our customers to go for Heroku as well. And for the front end, we recommend them using a Vercel. Vercel is the super server when it comes to React-based applications. There are a couple of screens, but I do not want to take you into that particular scenario. So that is pretty much it. So this is the kind of application. They can check out their comments, they can check out their replies as well. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the case study. I hope that you like this case study. And by the way, if you want to visit this application, you can go to soar91.com. The application is live. You can go and log in by yourself. As I'm already logged in, there's a whole bunch of features that you can go out and check out from your side. After that, we created some doctor goals. We added the goal settings as well. There is a whole bunch of options that we incorporated after the first launch. Over there, they can check out their own profile as well. Let me just move my video over here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the leaderboard. Okay, in the leaderboard, they can, over there, these are the certain titles. For example, if I'm almost 30 days and I completed all my check-ins, I'll be getting a rank. So this is what we call a rank. This is a rank, this is a rank. And over there, we can see that what is their rank, what is their position. So the first is initiate, and then there is a certain hierarchy that the customer gave us, and we actually saw that. So you can see that this particular user has 71.5 points. Total check-in was 143. He did not do any weekly check-ins, and his rank is challenger. These icons are super unique that we designed for our customers. That is pretty much it. I believe that you like a similar application. If you are looking for something custom web apps in health, in any other category, feel free to send us a message away, and I hope you like this platform. Do visit this platform if you want to get in good shape, if you want to lose your bad habits, and if you want to get rid of that money spending problem. Thank you so much. Once again, pleasure speaking to you guys, and I'll be back with another amazing case study only for our community. Thank you.